So we're displaying at the tiny house conference, so I thought you guys might be keen to have a little bit of a quick tour. So as you can see, there's a real variety of tiny houses here. If we scan around, it's like smaller, they get bigger and bigger as you go around this little patch here. Come and have a look at the ceiling in here. I kind of like that shadow line that they do. They all have nice floor finishes. This one's got really nice finish, eh? I live off grid on 2 solar panels, but if you put 6 or 8 panels on here.
Okay, that's what we were looking at.
We do a kit, I think it's 10 panels for 10 grand, and you do that, you'd be able to live quite happily. I like this one. This one's that small compact one, and I like how they do them so that they're upstairs, so you could fit this on a really small site. I'm Craig, by the way. What's your name?
Jason.
G'day, Jason.
Good to meet you, Craig.
Whereabouts are you?
We're in Hamilton.
Hamilton, right. And you do a lot of these small ones?
Yeah, we've sort of had a lot of interest with the smaller ones, so we're kind of thinking, you know, try and produce a few more smaller designs.
Yeah, it'd be good, eh? You could put it on a real small compact site, eh?
Certainly could, yeah. Obviously a lot more lighter weight. This one only being 2.5 tonne.
Yeah.
You know, a lot easier to tow from going away, you know.
Yeah. What we've found is there's a whole range of tiny houses. There's some that are real entry level, and then there's some that I'd be happy to live in as my main house. This one here is about 150 grand, but it's beautiful. It's actually a really nice place. It's got really nice fittings and kitchen and everything in it, and it's got this cool platform you sleep on that you can lower down so you get the full head height. Funny thing is, this flash tiny house behind us pulled up and he didn't have power, so he come over and said, "Oh, can we have some power?" I said, "Yeah, we got heaps of power to spare." So he ran an extension cord and plugged in, and he's been showing off the house using the extension cord from our solar kit.